Do you need to replace the speakers on your Alienware x15 R1? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. The first thing you're going to do is remove the bottom base cover screws. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. And then use a plastic scribe to gently pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now before going any further, I recommend disconnecting your battery to protect your laptop from any static discharge. Now unscrew and remove your battery. Next, peel away the tape to unclip the locking tab and disconnect the daughter board cable. Now disconnect the speakers. Then remove the speakers. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.